I'm So it's rainy season. I have nothing to do but just do cell phone. And make sure to subscribe because I only have 6 subscribers. I'm sorry. And look how much sunflower we ate earlier with Kuya JS. Look. This is all how much we ate. Kuya almost ate the whole thing. This one and this. This is how much sunflower. And come on, let's go to Kuya. Look for Kuya. So, hello Kuya AJ. Hello Bebe. So this is Bebe. And here's Kuya. Say hello Kuya.
Subscribe to my video!
Subscribe right